Hello friends, welcome to our playtime. Today we'll play with my animals.
Show them your animals. What animals do you have today?
I have seen this peacock.
Okay, is that a peacock?
Yes.
Okay, can you show them the peacock? Oh, this is a nice peacock. This is a male peacock. Actually, peacocks are male. The female version of peacock is peahen. It's called peahen.
Look, Papa, that looks like a peacock.
It's a peafowl.
Look, Papa, look, has a cute about one.
Peacocks have very.
Hey, Papa, look,
Yeah.
Papa, has a cute
Hold it.
2 feet.
Hold it. What?
2 feet.
Okay, the peacock has 2
Feet.
feet. Just put it here like that. 2 feet like that.
See? You cannot see now.
Okay, what else you have? What else do you have?
I have a cute APATOSAURus.
What's that? APATOSAURUS?
Yes,
It's a.
APATOSAURus.
Is it a dinosaur?
No, it's a APATOSAURus.
APATOSAURUS.
Picture. Hey,
Okay, what's the color of your APATOSAURUS?
it's purple.
Is it a carnivore or omnivore or herbivore?
Yes, it's a herbivore.
Okay, it eats.
She eats some leaves and grass and trees.
Oh. So now what's that in your back?
You can see there have a very nicely tail.
Okay, what else do you have?
And I have a mingo.
What's that?
It's a mingo.
What mingo?
Is it a mingo?
Is it a flamingo?
No, it's a mingo.
Mingo?
Yes.
It's a mingo. Alright. What does it eat?
She eats a fish.
Fish. Oh, fish and crustaceans.
And she
Like
catch,
shells and some
look,
crabs,
Papa,
little
she,
crabs.
Look, she catch fish.
It catches fish.
She eats them and she gets so hungry.
Mm-hmm.
And she burp.
It burps?
Yes, the kids is up in mingo, she eats to it.
Wow.
No.
Alright, what else you have?
Okay, I have a seagull.
The seagull?
Look, a seagull. She flies the beach with a seagull. And the beach in the ocean.
Mmm.
And the sound is get the eagle fly. And they catch. And see what the seagull eats. Seagull eats cookies.
Seagull eats cookies? Yeah.
And she's too far to catch that food.
Okay.
She's so hungry. And the seagull she bit and sit up in it.
Okay, what else you have?
Okay. And I have a real reptile big rattlesnake.
It's a rattlesnake? And it's so dangerous, right?
Yes, it's poisonous.
It's poisonous. So you better get rid of the snake. It's dangerous.
Because you will get to hurt you. Because the snake will bite you.
Okay, put it aside now. What else?
I have a killed
What's that? It's so big.
a bird vulture.
Is it? It's not a vulture. I think it's an eagle.
Eagle. Look,
Can-
this is the eagle.
Can you show me the eagle?
Look, here's a big
Show me the eagle. Wow, look at this, guys.
Look,
It's a big
Papa.
one. It's an eagle. Wow.
Eagle, see what to fly.
Look at its wings. It's so wide and so big. It can fly so high up in the sky. It flies over the top of the clouds.
And the seagull, she gets to
This is an eagle. Eagle catches some mouse. They eat also some small birds.
and
They eat rats.
And she eats
hold it.
some worms.
They eat worm, yeah, as a snack. They eat worm as a snack. Okay, what else you have?
I have swan.
What's that?
Swan.
Swan.
I killed
It's a black swan.
swan. Look at the get red eyes.
Can I
Swan.
see? Just hold it like that. It has a red eye?
Yes, because we have the 2 feet and with the 2 wings.
And it has 2 big wings. Alright, what else you have?
And
These are little tiny animals. What is the yellow one?
I have become a pale maybe little snaky.
The snake? What kind of snake is that?
It's a little snake.
Is it the coral snake?
No, it's a little snake.
It's a little snake and it's also dangerous, right?
Because it's poisonous.
It's poisonous. Okay, put it aside again. And what else?
And I have a silver praying mantis green praying mantis. Look, has a big yellow. Look, because you have yellow there.
Yellow on underneath. It has a yellow underside and a green body.
And look,
That's a.
Papa.
Is it a praying mantis or a grasshopper?
Yes, it's a praying mantis.
Okay, put the praying mantis there. What's that?
I bit an orange pterodactyl.
Oh, why is it so small?
It's a bit so baby.
It's a baby.
It's so cute. I think this is its daddy.
Where's its daddy?
The daddy, she found her. The daddy, she lost her daddy.
It lost her daddy?
Yes, she
Okay,
lost.
what else you have?
Okay, I have a cute ANKYLOSAURus. Look, Mama has a purple back.
The purple back and
And has a big feet. And have a good head. And see with that legs. We have it. Look, Mama, there's a 4 legs.
look at its tail. It looks like a hammer. So hard, and its back has thorny back.
Yes.
Okay, what else?
And I have an ant.
And how many ants you have?
I have some 1 ant. I
One
have
ant.
1.
And what is the other one? The black one.
The bill gets up a hippopotamus. It's the gravy. Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus and ants. And the other black one, what's that?
It's a big spider.
Spiders are dangerous too because they are poisonous.
Yes.
And then
And the hippo. It's able to catch fish.
hippo. You have hippo too?
Yes, because they catch.
Okay. What else? What's that last one?
A cute yellow stegosaurus.
A cute yellow stegosaurus. Wow. Is a stegosaurus a herbivore or a carnivore?
No, it's not a carnivore. It's a herbivore.
Herbivore because it eats?
She eats some grass.
It
And
eats
she
grass.
eats some small animals.
Okay. So these are your toys. The animal toys combination with the dinosaurs. There is a spider, there's a pterodactyl, stegosaurus, there's a swan, peacock, praying mantis, ankylosaurus, hippopotamus. There is also snake, there is flamingo, there is
Papa, it's a mingo.
mingo, there is an ant, there is APATOSAURUS, There's a seagull,
And there's a boat.
snake, and then there's like an eagle there.
Little python.
Put all your toys in the box, in the cart.
Uy! It's all of it. Cheeto. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to your channel. Bye.